You can use filter with dictionaries too. I have a dictionary with day of the week with a number. You can filter based on keys and values. V key was the index with the list, but as you can guess, with dictionary it is the key of the dictionary pair. If I want the days before the 4th day of the week, vval is the value of the dictionary pair. So I can filter to return the days of the week, which has the letter T. Make sure when you're using the string expression, it is vval and not vvalue. With lambda and function, you can name the variable, but with the string, it has to be vval. You can do the same thing with lambda expression, just like in lists. With function, let's get the weekends only by comparing the string to Sunday and Saturday.